Alright guys, check this out. We got the Litecoin, and up until now, we mostly focused on the big picture, the daily chart and that level 78.40, which basically was reached a few days ago, and I suggested that bottoming out is a long process, so price is probably gonna dance around that level for quite some time. Now I want to take you to from a different perspective, right? I'm going to take you to the lower time scale, basically the 4-hour chart, and I want to show you how we can play out that very flirtation process here that takes place on that 78.4 or 0.5 level. So let me take you to the 4-hour chart quickly and show you what I think is going on. It's quite interesting. So first we have that sideways movement that's taking place, right? Let's try to pinpoint that that movement with a symmetric setup right there. So I'm just gonna apply that setup on this little local sideways movement to show you that it actually complies pretty well with the limits. I mean, we had a little bit of a break here, but that completely can be filtered out by the daily chart. So basically what I'm doing is I was placing that setup on the 4-hour, but I'm gonna watch it, right? I'm gonna examine the movements here only on the daily, because the daily close, that's what's important in this case. So you can see how price was, the fact that we saw that a little bit of a breakout on the 4-hour chart above that 87.16 top level. You can see how it looks like right now, just a spike, and price went all the way back and closed back below. Now here is the actual sideways movement. We had the first leg going up, second leg going down, third leg all the way up, and I think we're gonna have the fourth leg now taking price all the way back to the lower section of that setup, namely the level of 76. Right now we're trading at almost 84, so we're talking about a small short-term move to 76. That's that's like 7 points. But from the short-term perspective, this is what means dancing around that major key level at 78.5 that I was talking about. All right, so from the very short-term perspective right now, the outlook looks pretty bearish. All right, so we'll follow up on this one. In the meantime, I will say goodbye, and we'll see you tomorrow.